Onyonyo means video. Now I'm recording. It's okay. Achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo onye ọbụla. Wellington, Chukwu, isi aha gị Chukwuemeka?
Chukwuma.
Chukwuma. Do you know that's my last name? You owe me a cow.
One cow.
Answering my last name. You owe me a big cow. Okay, so Chukwuma, kedu ka ị mere taa?
Adị mma.
Okay, kedu ihe ị na-eme ugbu a?
Boy, anọ m na...
Kedu ihe ị na-eme kịta? Kịta means ugbu a.
Ugbu a. Oh, taa. Okay. So taa enwere m one or otu klaasị maka fitness.
Enwere m otu klaasị maka fitness ebe a na-eme inyere ndụ aka. Don't worry, I'll tell you what it's called.
That was advanced class.
Okay, I'll send it to you. I'll test it to you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll test it to you. Onye kachi? Epo alata. Kekwanu ka mama gị na papa gị mere?
Ha na mama.
Okay, ụmụnne gị kwanu?
Ha nọ ya.
Chioma Ozigbo, kedu ka ị mere?
Adị mma.
Ị mezibekwa gị ugegbe phone igwe okwu gị? Ị meziela ugegbe igwe okwu gị?
Amarom.
Mara, I say, have you fixed your screen?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I need to see you on your video. Onyonyo. Amarachi, kedu kwanu? Amarachi Ugwu. Amarachi, are you here? Chidera Ohieri, kedu ka ị mere?
I didn't know.
Okay, Chidera, achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Amarachi, there you go, Chidera. Chidera, kekwanụ ka akwụkwọ shiri ga ụnyaahụ?
It was challenging.
Ị gara akwụkwọ ụnyaahụ?
Did I go to school?
Yesterday. Ụnyaahụ means yesterday. Ka o siri ga? Remember the pronouns. I said the pronouns when you're referring to he, she, it, it's ọ gara nke ọma if you went well. If it didn't go well, auntie, ọ gara nke ọma. You see that? Ọ gaghị nke ọma. Adaeze, ọ gịnị na-emekwanụ tata? Chidera, mba, achọrọ m ịdị n'ahụ onye ọbụla. Biko, achọrọ m ka m mara na onye ọbụla na-ege ntị na klaasị anyị na-eme. Adaeze, ọ gịnị na-eme tata?
Can you repeat that?
Ọ gịnị na-eme tata?
I am not Igbo class.
I said, what is happening today?
Oh.
What is happening today? Remember, this is an interactive class. What is happening today? Ọ gịnị na-eme tata?
Amaghị.
Amaghị. Ị ga-amanụ ka ihe ị nwere ime n'ụlọ unu tata. What do you have to do in your house today? Amaghị. Chukwuemeka, kedu ebe nwanne gị nwoke nọ? Chukwuemeka, kwụsie okwu ike, mean speak up. Kedu ebe nwanne gị nwoke nọ? Chukwuemeka, kwụsie okwu ike. Nnamdi, ọ gịnị na-eme gị akwa? Ọ dị ka ị na-ebe akwa. Gịnị na-eme gị?
Anaghị m agba akwa o.
Gịnị ka ị na-emekwa?
Ana m eme akwụkwọ m.
Okay, ị rikwere nri ụtụtụ? Gịnị ka ị riri?
A little McDonald's.
How can you eat McDonald's? What did I ask you, by the way? I said, what did I ask you?
You asked me, did I eat this morning? I said, a little McDonald's now.
How can you eat McDonald's in the morning?
McDonald's breakfast now.
Tell me what you ate. What is it called?
Eririm. Ekwe.
It's aqua.
Aqua.
Okay, good job. All I'm looking for is effort. Okay, I want you guys to have fun. This is interaction, and we have to do it. You can't shy away from it. You don't speak it, you don't know it. Okay, please, Anastasia, Kedebino.
Anọ n'ụlọ m.
Ị nọ n'ụlọ gị. Kedu onye na-ekwu okwu ebe ahụ ị nọ?
Pam.
Gịnị ka papa gị na-emekwa?
Ọ na-emekwa how do you say work? Like
Ọ na-arụ ọrụ, is that what you want? He's working.
Yeah.
Ọ na-arụ ọrụ.
Ọ na-arụ ọrụ.
Kedụkwa n'ebe mama gị gara taa?
Ọ nọ n'ụlọ.
Okay. Kedu onye ga-eshi nri tata?
Mama
gị ga-eshi nri, daalụ. Amarachi, I think that's Amarachi Ohaya. Kedu ebe ishi abata ugbu a? Ugbu a means kita, means now. When I say ugbu a, I mean now or kita. Amarachi, kedu ebe ishi na-abata ugbu a?
I've been at home. How do you say
Amarachi, sụọra m Igbo. Sụọra m Igbo.
Anọ m n'ụlọ.
Ị nọ n'ụlọ, onweghị ebe ị gara tata? Agara m. Whenever you're making a sentence and you're referring to yourself, two letters. These two letters, a and e, is supposed to be for you. Agaram, ejerem, and pay attention to the vowels. We have two groups of vowels, so you cannot mix them. You do not miss them. Let me share page. I want to stress on that. Do not miss the vowels. Let me see, what do I have to go with you? I have something I prepared for you guys today. The assignment, I don't want it to take our time, so I'm not gonna do the assignment now. No. I'm looking for the lesson that I prepared, okay? All righty. Okay, so we're going to touch base on this conjugation. And what we're gonna do after this interaction, if you have any area that you struggled in your assignment, we need to go over it, okay? And we'll touch base on this more. Okay, so we have two groups of vowels. E and A. These two letters, whenever you're making any sentences at all. So we have a group of vowels. A group and of vowels, and E group. Some of you are still mixing it. All right, so now coming to the A, we have A, and we have A, and this is supposed to be punctuated up and down. Okay, anyị ga-etinye kpọm n'okpuru A na that kpọm. So etu a ka anyị ga-esi eme ya, ọ bụghị etu a. So oge nwe ya n'elu, nwe ya n'ala. Elu means up and down. Okay, So it means up and down. A second, let me get, I want to see you guys. I want to make sure that you all see me and what I'm saying. Okay, so we have and we have O. So these are the A group. And then in E group of vowels, we have E, which is E, and we have A with a single dot on top. We have O with no dot underneath and U no dot underneath. You cannot mix this. That's the point I'm making. So whenever you're making a sentence, now these two letters here, don't just use it anyhow. You have to make sure that you're not mixing things or putting things where they're not supposed to be. Don't do that. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. When you say enwerem, I have. Agaram, I went. You can also say ejerem. And if you look at agaram, nice. Okay, say ejerem means also I went. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here, because I see some people, they will mix A and E. You cannot come here and say, you can't say here, egaram. That doesn't make sense. And that is not grammatically, it is not correct. Because why? If you look at gara, let me make it big. I want to make sure you guys are seeing everything. It's 20, but I can make it 22. So if you look at this, enwerem, you look at the E, we got all this from E group of vowels. There's nothing like mixing anything here. E group of vowels. There's no A there. There's nothing to punctuate there. But when you Chukwuemeka, are you listening? Chukwuemeka ina-ege ntị. Chukwuemeka ina-ege ntị.
Yeah.
What is yeah? How do you say yes? Okay, I need everybody. That's why I say please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself so that you answer me. So ile anya kịta, enwerem, I have. If you put a here, no. The vowel harmony is no longer, it's not working. The rule is you're not observing the rule. Because you got this vowel from A group of vowel, and then the rest of this in where is from E group of vowel. It does not correspond that way. So I have enwerem, then agaram, not egaram. You can say ejerem. The only way you can put E is here to correspond that vowel, to match the vowels, that the harmony there. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I went. So do not say something and then maybe you're saying something but you're writing something else. You're writing something else, you're saying something differently. So that's not, I don't want us to do that. And because of that, in fact, there's something I want to review with you before going to this verb. There are some words that mean they're the same letter, the same words, but they mean different things. So let me go there right now. I'm going to stop sharing this. It's one of the things I have in mind to do. So share. Where are you? Okay, all right. I want to go over this with you. If you come to this now, we have some words. Okay. We have also, I'm going to bring this one down. Azu here. If you look up here now, we have Azu. Azu is your back. We have Azu. Azu means fish. Okay. And now if you look at this, I put the tone mark there, but it's going to take us time if I start doing those things. I'm not going to do that right now. So we're going to do this. So when you say Azu, Azu, well, I think it's too small. Okay. We have Azu, Azu, high and low, Azu. And we have another word, the same word, but the tone mark will change. Azu. Okay, this one is what? Fish. And the second one is back. The second one is back. You see that? So the only way, Azu, and both of them should be punctuated. Okay, so when you put, now I'm going to delete this because that's not the right person. If you do not punctuate it, then you're going to miss it. So when you say Azu, and the other one also, so you see the same spelling. The only way you can differentiate is Azu, Azu. It is not the same sound. Azu, Azu, high, high. Azu, high and low. So this is Azu, which is back. Azu, fish. Now, we have 4 words. The same spelling. Not a change, but they mean different things. The first one is what? Aqua, which is egg. Aqua means egg. You see that? So we have aqua. Now the second one, we have aqua. The second one is aqua, which is clothes. See that? The third one is aqua. Aqua. Pay attention. The first one, aqua. The second one, aqua. The third one, aqua. Okay, aqua, which is bed. Now the fourth one, aqua. When I finish, I would like Chukuma to be the first to pronounce all 4 of them. Aqua. Aqua. Dear. Nnenna na-ebe akwa. Chukwuma nwere akwa. Chinemerem nwere akwa. Chukwuemeka nọ n'elu akwa. You see that? Means bed. Now we have aqua, 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 aqua. Whoa, see, I when I wrote this, so crying. Now, aqua, 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 aqua. Are we listening here? I see, oh yeah. Onye kachi si a ga-ekwu ya. Onye kachi ngwa kwere ya.
Aqua, 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 aqua.
Bed. What do you call bed?
I don't have for bed aqua. Madam.
Kedu ihe ndị bonu na-akpọ ya?
Madam.
What do you call bed?
Madam.
Okay, it's aqua. It's aqua, but find out from your mom and dad, okay? Let me know because guys, we try to introduce like other dialects because I want you guys to know what they call it. But we teach Central Igbo here, so feel free to come up. Please tell me what your people call all these things, because I want others to get to know them too, in case if they hear it out there. So this, but Onye kachi try again. Aqua, 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 aqua. Now do it yourself.
Aqua, aqua, aqua.
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 Then the crying.
Aqua.
Aqua, good. Now this is how, so there's a drill here we're going to say. And I want everybody to do it. You get it, trust me. I will send you $20. If you want to take my money, get it? Okay, so aqua, 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 aqua. Chukwuma, ngwa, achọ nke ikwuo ya.
Okay. Aqua, 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 aqua.
You're just everywhere. Chukwuma, you know, okay. Aqua,
aqua, aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua.
aqua.
Ngwa, go ahead. Try again.
Aqua, aqua.
Yes.
Aqua,
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 aqua.
aqua, aqua.
Aqua, yeah. Yeah.
This one I always struggled with, even as a kid.
Really? But you did very well. Somebody else. I need somebody else. Anastasia, go ahead while I'm typing something here. Anastasia, ikwusi Nnamdi, gị ka ọ ga-erute n'aka.
Auntie, yes.
Yeah, say the 4 words I nwere there.
Yes.
Huh?
Aqua, aqua. Okay, I'll say it. Aqua, 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 aqua.
The 2 last ones, can you repeat them? Can you repeat the 2 last ones? The bed and crying.
Would it be
aqua, aqua,
aqua,
aqua,
aqua.
Okay, Nande.
Aqua.
Yeah, you got it.
Aqua. Okay, first one is aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua is very low. Aqua.
Aqua.
No. Now they start from the number 1 again.
Okay. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
The bed is aqua. Aqua.
Aqua.
Then the last one is what?
I always want to say aqua. Like that's why.
On a aqua. There you go. I hear on a aqua, because if you don't know the sound, the chance there for you to say on a aqua. It's like, you see what I'm saying? So the sound, because there's no other way for you to differentiate other than high, low, mid tone. Right. So the tone is the only thing you are going to use to say these words. Other than that, there's no other thing. So that aqua is low, low. Aqua is a high, high pitch. Aqua is also high, mid, high. Aqua, high and low. Aqua, low, low. So, Onyekachi, no, Onyekachi, Chinemerem.
Yeah. Isumkwaya. Okay. Aqua, 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 aqua.
Yay! We have one winner here. Another person, Amarachi. Ohaya.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
What? Amarachi, no. Aqua. 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 Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Again.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua.
Okay. So who else will try? Who else? Chioma Igbo ngwa.
Aqua. 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 Aqua.
Again.
Aqua. 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 Aqua.
Chioma. Chioma. Aqua. 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 Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Aqua.
Yes. Now everybody will say this because this will help you to know the sound. Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa? No, nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa? Na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu. Are you listening? N'elu akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa nọ na elu akwa. Oh, wait, Chinemere, can you try? Chinemere.
Yeah, I don't think I can do that.
Yes, you can try. Nwanyị na-akwa akwa.
Nwanyị
Ị
na-akwa
na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
Sasa ihe m chetara nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa.
Just try.
No, I can say it. I just can't remember what's being said.
It's here.
Oh, sorry.
It's on the screen. It's on the screen, Chinemere.
What screen?
Am I not sharing the screen with you guys?
I know, I'm a hoya.
Okwenye na here. Then Chinemere ebe ka ị nọ.
I don't remember asking what screen.
Ebe there no ilega anya n'ihe anyị na-akụzi. If everybody will see the screen and you're the only one who will not see it, are you a ghost?
Yeah, I don't see it.
Come on, you don't. But everybody, can you see the screen? You see, I told you, onye ọwụla biko, achọrọ m ka onye ọwụla na-aza m ihe m jụrụ. Unu na-ahụ onyonyo? Onye ọbụla na-ahụ onyonyo? Okay, now no more muting, because muting means that your attention is divided. Some of you are playing your game. If you are in this class, in na class here, ị ga na-ege ntị n'ihe anyị na-ekwu. Achọghị m onye ga-anọ na class here ọ na-ege ntị. Amarachi, unmute yourself, please. Nobody should mute. You cannot, if you are doing something, you rather just log off and then focus on that thing. If you're in this class, you are in this class. Please, you want to learn Igbo? Let us learn Igbo. Please. So, Chinemere, I want to make sure that what's going on. Check your screen again.
Yeah, I'm making Bobia Shilem or here Basara computer.
Okay, ihe mere ya. Ngwa ka onye ọzọ kwuo ihe a m dere. Obinna n'ebe a. Okay, Obinna nọ ya ka ma chọọ onye ga-ekwuru. No, not Chinelo. Chidera, ị chọrọ ikwu ya? Kedu onye ga-achọrọ m fat ofu onye wepụta onwe ya kwuo ya. Achọrọ m onye ga-ekwu ihe a. Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Okay, can somebody go? Nwanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Can somebody? I need a volunteer. Everybody unmute yourself.
I work me
Please.
there.
Onye chọrọ ikwu ya? Onye kachi ngwa.
Gamble ha work me me. Why na-akwa akwa? Ị na-akwa akwa? Na ọkụkọ
Ị na-akwa akwa?
Ị na-akwa akwa? In Nigeria, if she's making a bed.
Okay, now, a woman that makes a clothes, okay, are you crying that a chicken laid egg on top of the clothes that you are making, that is on top of a bed? That is what it is. Okuko. So let me punctuate it, because if I don't punctuate it, it might call it something else. Okuko means chicken. Okuko, a woman that makes clothes. Are you crying? Because it is like, are you crying that a chicken laid eggs on top of the clothes? It's like clothes that you are making, that is on top of a bed. That's what it is, and nothing else. And this is the drill. The drill is here. You have to say it very fast without making a mistake. You say it very fast.
Madam teacher American.
Ungwa Chinemere mi batala. Chinemere ma batala. Okay, onye kachi. Kedu onye ga-atali agbali? Chukwuma. Ngwa achọrọ nke ịgbalị ya. Nwaanyị, the slow one. Just say the slow one. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa means a woman that makes clothes. Okay? Okay, let me put the meaning underneath, because I want to make sure that you guys say. A woman that clothes. Okay, I think she's back. Okay. Are you crying? See, this, I need to divide it so that you know the meaning of it. Okay. Are you crying that a chicken laid the egg? Ọkụkọ yiri akwa. Come on. Okay. Okay, so then you won't see it very well. You know, I'll put the meaning letter. I just want you to get it real. I'll type the meaning letter for you, but it means nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, a woman that makes clothes. Are you crying that a chicken laid eggs on top of the clothes that you're making, that is on top of the bed? Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. A na-akpa ya okwu ntabi ire. So achọrọ m onye ga-ekwu ya ekwutere m ya. Chukwuma ngwa. Onye ọbụla ga-agbalị.
Ị chọrọ nsogbu na.
Nsogbu adịghị. Just gbalịa, achọrọ m ịhụ onye ga-ekwute ya. Achọrọ m effort. Effort is what I'm looking for.
Effort. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. N'elu akwa. Na-akwa akwa. No n'elu akwa.
Good job, good job. Anyway,
that's not position.
Ịgbalị Chinelo, ị na-eweli aka elu chere. Chinelo ngwa. Ị chọrọ ikwu ya? Ngwa kwuo ya.
Nwaanyị na-akwa ka ị na-akwa akwa ka na ọkụkọ yirikwa na elu akwa ina-akwa no na
You know what you're
elu.
doing? You're reading like a Igbo person. Chinelo na-agụ ka onye bekee, onye oyibo. Okay. Onwe onye ọzọ chọrọ ịgbalị. Okay, Chidera, aha, Chidera ngwa.
Nwanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụ yiri akwa na elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
No n'elu akwa.
No n'elu
And
akwa.
I made this drill because I want you, it will help you to enunciate it well. Okay. Chinemeram ngwa ị na-eweli aka. So this will help you because pronouncing aqua, it's like you miss it. But with the drill, you should be able to put it together. Okay, Chinemeram ịhụla ya ugbu a.
Mele m ga-emeli ya.
Ngwa mee ị ga-emeli ya.
Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
N'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa.
Nọ n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
Now I want you, good job. Ofuma imere ofuma, achọrọ m ka ị kwuo ya n'okwu ntabi ire ọsịsọ. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Ngwa gbalịa.
Okay. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
Faster. Ịnweta ya Chukwu ma ga-esendịrị gị $50. Come on. Ngwa Chinemere faster. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa n'elu akwa.
Okay, nwaanyị na-akwa akwa ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa.
No, you're not supposed to stop. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa na-akwa akwa n'elu akwa.
Okay, nwaanyị na-akwa akwa ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa ị na-akwa n'elu akwa.
Close. Somebody else, please help us here. Okay, kedu onye ọzọ ga-emeli ya? Obinna ọ nọ ebe a? Obinna nọ here. Kelechi nọ ebe a. Onye kachi ngwa ị ga-emeli ya?
Mba, awụrụ m.
So ị ga-emeli. Onwe onye ọzọ ga-try. Okay, ma ihe mere aga m enye unu till next week. Just go ahead and do it on your own. Next week, you get it. I'm not going to say what I will do now. But anybody who will not get it will be the person to send $50 to that person. I'm not kidding. So if you know you don't want to miss, imara na ichogi ke ego gi fuo. Nwetakwa ya o. Nwetakwa ya. Achọrọ nkono mara etu esi akpọ ihe ndị a. Akwa. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa ị na-akwa akwa nọ n'elu akwa. So I'm going to send it. It will be on your notes. So get it. Now another words that are the same. We have obi. Now obi is your chest. Obi is the chest, the first one. Obi is a palace. The second one is a palace. The first one, Obi, is your chest. Obi de mumma. Oh, I am so happy. Obi de moto. Obi de moto na ebiara ba anyị taa. I am so happy to see you. I'm so happy you came to my house today. You came to our house today. Okay. Obinnam, my father's palace. Obinnam, my father's palace. Obinnam means my father's palace. Obioma, obidem mma or oto, obidem mma or obidem oto, that I am so happy. Okay, so you see, the only way you can tell through the content, okay, obi de mma. Then you say obinnam means your father's palace, and your father's palace can be, I don't know if you have traveled to Nigeria or Igbo land, you know, normally in the olden days, I don't know if they still do it now. No gegaraga, awu harusi ulo, onye narusi ulo. then n'ihu ụlọ ya ya arụnye obere ụlọ dịka it's like a little hut. It's in the front of the house where he's going to have like a meeting with the clan, like ụmụnna. A na-akpọ ya ụmụnna. Ụmụnna, ịghọtara? Ụmụnna ya is like the kindred. So that's where they're going to have a meeting. So, and your father's living room can be your father's palace. That's what it is here. Because now in the modern age now, the living room is like a palace. That's where your father has received people, visitors, and so on. You know, but in the olden days back home, and you know what, after this COVID, because I would like most of you to come to Igbo village in Virginia. We go every year, but because of COVID, we have not done that. And we're going to do it through Zoom this time. And then I'll show you some of the pictures. So in the Igbo village there, and that Igbo village is like Igbo land during the Ogane Akpota Ndiohu Eshiri Igbo land na our Igbo land Kpota na ebe Africa ndị ọzọ dị iche iche. So ebe ha nọ na ugbo farm, ebe ha nọ n'ugbo na-arụ ọrụ ịkọ ọrụ akụkọ, ịkọ ọrụ wụ, it's like planting stuff. So as slaves. So they built in this Igbo village, we built like thatch houses, the way our forefathers said, ndị nna nna anyị si ebi ndụ oge mbụ. And then nna ha ga-arụ ụlọ, they built it like in a rectangular form. Then that rectangular form, the father will marry like 5, 6, 7, or 8 or 10 wives. And guess what? My own father married 10 wives. So it's a big family. Yes, in the olden days. So even though some people still practicing, some of you will be like, oh, how can your father marry? Because they are still practicing it now, though my father is late now. But my dad married 10 wives. We are so many. And then in our compound, he built a house just like the way they used to do it before. And then my father's house will be in the front. And then all the wives, all the rooms, that rectangular farmhouse will be full of rooms. Every wife with their own quarter. Each wife will have their own quarter with their children. That's the way it is. And some people are still practicing a polygamy these days. See what I'm saying? So the thing is this, you won't see that anymore. And then this Igbo village, ị gaa there, ị ga-ahụ pot ya wụ ite eji eku mmiri. In the olden days, enwere ite ndị nne nna anyị ha enweghị fridge. That pot will fridge. You will see all these things when you go to Igbo village in Virginia. That pot, and then that pot, ịgbanye ya mmiri, ikupụta mmiri nọ na ya, ọ na-ajụ oyi, ịjụ oyi ọ na-adị very, very cold. Yes, it's their fridge in the olden days. That's the fridge they have. You get the water out from this pot. Oh my goodness. Just like it's from the refrigerator. That's how they cool their water. And then everything, and then the bed, which is aqua. Their bed is made of clay. It's not even this spring or this memory foam that you guys use these days. That's nothing like memory foam in those days. They will use the clay and then build this big, nice bed. And then some people, they sleep on it like that because they will make it just very, very, just so smooth. Some people will use mat, ute. Ute is mat, and then they will spread it on top and then they lie there. And not these days, like if you're sharing a room with your sibling, why will I share a room? Hey, I'm a big girl, I'm a big boy. No, in the olden days, you have to share a room. Even if you guys are 10, all of you will be there because those days, in the nanani, hanamu buru ubarumu, ofu nwanyị means one woman, gamu 9, 8, 10, 14. I have seen 14, a woman, and they all still live happily. But these days, you can't even stay in one room with your sibling. Guys, something is wrong. Honestly. Yeah, so, and everybody will be happy. And in the olden days, you don't even fear. Onye ga-atụ ụjọ, ị ga-aga na nke nwunye papa like other women. And then you eat there, you all move around. These days, they will tell you, don't eat there, don't eat here. No, things are not okay anymore. Those days, people are happier. Things are okay. You get along with everybody. These days, everybody, everywhere, the pastors will tell you, oh, your uncle will kill you, don't eat. Your aunt will kill you. See? So things are just upside down, awkward, everywhere. So n'oge gara aga ihe dị mma, ịghọtara. So ihe ndị a bụ ihe ndị anyị na-ahụcha oge ahụ. And aga m eme unu biko, ọwụ na unu agaba ala Igbo, oge ọbụla ị gara ala Igbo, jisie ike ka unu hụ ihe ụfọdụ, ihe ndị a ka nọ n'ala Igbo. But COVID-19 dị over. Aga m akpọ unu aga Igbo village. Aga m agwa onye ọbụla ebe ọbụla unu nọ, unu ga-abịa, because anyị na-aga ya every year. We perform, we do a lot of stuff. So it's all fun. Okay, so don't worry, just mark your calendar. This June, we're going to do it through Zoom. But next year, hopefully we go to Igbo village. We also go to North Carolina, we go to Texas, which is Houston. We do all these things. Okay, so now, I think I'm going to stop here. But achọrọ m ka unu jụọ m ajụjụ gbasatara ihe ndị anyị mere. Onye nwere ajụjụ ihe ọ chọrọ ịjụ na ihe omume nyere unu mee n'izu gara aga. Maka aka m na-agakwa ka m hụ ihe ndị unu mere, aka m na-agacha over. Ngacha aga m agwa unu. Onwe onye m chọrọ ịkpọ mkpọ ya gwa ya lekwa lekwa lekwa. Mgbe nwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Onwe onye nwere ajụjụ ya kwuo aha ya, kwuo n'ihe ọ chọrọ ịjụ.
Biko, onye nwere m ajụjụ maka
Ọ bụ onye na-ekwu?
Ọ Chukwuma.
Ngwa Chukwuma, jụọ ajụjụ gị.
Biko, achọrọ m gị kwuo nwayọ maka akwa na the sentence ha dọwara there. Biko.
Okay. Achọrọ nke you want me to slow down to say it slowly?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so ka m jiri nwayọ kwuo ya. Okay. Akwa. Akwa. Okay, now this is the trick. This is how I taught my daughter, Chinyere Ohaya, the one that gave a Igbo speech. This is what she did. When I'm saying this, because sometimes even if I put the tone mark, so tone mark nwere ike gaga aghọta ya. So ihe ga-emewu, ọwụ na-ekwu onye onwe etu o shiri wee daa gị na ntị. The way the sound, the way you will understand it, just make a note or put the tone mark. The way you think that it sounded to you. That is the only way you will remember it. Or if there is a letter that will help you. Remember, Igbo alphabet is not the same as English alphabet. So if there's an English alphabet that will help you to remember that, how to start to pronounce that word, make a note on top of that letter. And then at the end. So I want you all to be doing this, because she does that whenever I'm teaching her how to read. And next week, we are going to read. We are going to read. So make a note on top of that letter to help you to remember how to pronounce that word. So now, Chukwuma, ngwa akwa.
Akwa is high.
Akwa. 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 High, mid, low.
High. Oh, high. What is mid, low? I thought it's just
okay.
High and low.
Now, this is what you do. Like, if you, okay, watch me now. If you're going to, let me do this. 1 second, I'm trying to do something here. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this. I want to make sure you're seeing my demonstration. Oh, come on. My demonstration is not working. What happened? Okay, now, Chukwuma, can you see me very well now?
Hey.
Okay, so, guess akwa. You see, I started like beveling it. Aqua. See that? Aqua. Now, aqua. It's higher than aqua. Did you see that? So the tone mark will be higher. Like aqua. It's not that high compared to the aqua. You see that? The tone mark aqua should be high. Then the tone mark aqua should be mid-low. It's not gonna be very high. It's just like midway. Okay, then up. Kwa. It's mid high tone, not high. Then kwa. That is, it's the tone mark will go down this way, but the high mark will go this way. Then the low mark will go this way. It's like high, low. See my fingers? High and low. High and low. That's how it goes. Now, aqua. 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 That is low, low. You have to make the tone mark flat. It has to be flat. Aqua. Now, aqua is high, high. But I want you to make the tone. Forget about that tone mark. Just put it the way you think it sounded. Aqua, crying. Aqua, bed. Aqua, clothes. Aqua.
Okay.
Just try and say it. Let me see.
Okay. So, aqua. Aqua.
Good.
Aqua.
No, remember I said it's low. The bed is low, low.
Oh no, that was for crying. Sorry. So
No, you okay? Do the bed.
For bed is aqua.
No, aqua. Lower.
Aqua.
Yes. Now the crying. Can you say that?
Aqua.
There you go. Now say all four of them again.
Okay, so aqua. Aqua.
Good.
Aqua.
No. Aqua.
Aqua.
Yes. I've seen some people put double A to help them. Now, some of my students, they put double A in the beginning just to help them to remember how to pronounce aqua.
Aqua.
Depending on what will help you to remember it. Then the last one is what?
Aqua.
Now say all four of them again.
Okay. Aqua. Aqua. Aqua.
Aqua. Very close.
Aqua. Aqua.
Good. So this drill, the drill here, please, I need somebody to get it next week. Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa, ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa, ị na-akwa akwa n'elu akwa. Very fast, very, very fast. So practice with it. I will post the note though. So check the, I will do it later in the evening because I have a Zoom wakekeeping tonight to do. So I might not be able to do it till midnight or tomorrow. So you'll give me time to get it done. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Jụọkwa m ajụjụ ugbu a. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Jụọ na ajụjụ. Okay. Na ebe ọ na-enwe onye nwere ajụjụ, onye apụkwala ka m ajụ unu ihe m chọrọ ịjụ unu. Aga m ebido na Adaeze. 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 Ema etu esi agụ egwu?
What happened?
Gịnị wee egwu egwu?
Play or dance?
No, ịgụ egwu is singing. Adaeze na-agụ egwu. Adaeze is singing. Ịgụ egwu means singing. Ifeanyị Nwanze. Ifeanyị. Biko, gaa na usekwu. Gaa wetara m ngaji 3. What did I say?
Go to the kitchen and get 3 forks.
Ngaji. What's ngaji? Okay, Ifeanyi, tell me. No, I don't know where they are.
Madam Ebehano.
It didn't put no. I said no. I don't know where they are.
Madam Ebehano.
Good. Ifeanyi say or mba, or mba, they mean the sentence. Amadum is also amagem. So I don't want you to be confused, but he got it. Chidera, biko, sakwara ọnụ n'ụtụtụ taa.
Sakwara ọnụ n'ụtụtụ.
Okay, daalụ. Imeela. Biko, achọrọ m iri nri, gaa bute nri. Achọrọ m iri nri, gaa bute nri. Tell me, okay, I will go and get some food. Okay, it's O.
Oh, it's O?
Yeah, okay means O. Yes, it's E.
Oh.
No, it's Mba. O is okay. When I say something to you, I say, okay, Chidera, Nuna, yes, O.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, okay, I will get some food.
Oh, and
I will. Now pay attention, guys. When I say I will, I am, I went, it's your know the past tense, present, and past participle. So you need to know all this. When I say, okay, I will go, I want you to put it in that form. I will go. Okay?
Oh,
how do you start? I will go and get some food.
I will.
Aga m aga.
Aga.
Aga m aga weta nri. Aga m eje weta nri. These are two ways you can say it. Aga m aga weta nri. Aga m eje weta nri. Or aga m eweta nri. You see that? So that's how you say that. Chinemerem. Biko, kedu ebe onye uwe ojii ahụ si wee pụta? Chinemerem, kedu ebe onye uwe ojii siri wee pụta? Nda, gịnị uwe ojii?
Isn't like dark clothing?
Onye uwe ojii means police, like cops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ndị uwe ojii are policemen or women. Uwe ojii, ndị uwe ojii. Okay, but that cloth is uwe ojii, but I say onye uwe ojii. So they call it, that's what you call them in Igbo. Okay, kedu ebe onye uwe ojii ahụ si wee pụta? Just answer anything.
Madam Bahashi.
Efuru ndị na-ekwu.
Mba, hụrụ ha.
Elekwana ebe ị nọ, gịnị mere na ịhụ ha?
Ebe m nọtere anya, adịm ahụ ihe na-ahụ.
Oh, ngwa na imeela, daalụ nwanne m o. Asị m daalụ nwanne m o. Na-emere m anụmanụ ihe ị na-ekwu. Asị m daalụ nwanne m o.
Yeah, onye gwa m daalụ ma gwa ha ọ dị mma, ọ dị m na-ekwu.
Gịnị nwanne m?
Nwanne m like my sibling.
Daalụ nwanne m, gị sị m o. It's okay, I like it. Oh, that you can also say daalụkwa, you know. So you can also say that, but ndewo. Chukwuma o ruola gị n'aka. Chukwuma, onye ka ị na-ele ihe ahụ n'elu ebe ahụ? Onye nọ n'elu ebe ahụ, Chukwuma?
N'elu. Oh, projector.
Gịnị bụ projector? Anyị amaghị ihe a na-akpọ projector. Kọwara na anyị ihe ọwụ. Asị gị zi m ya, asị gị kọwara m ihe ọhụụ. Gịnị projector, anything, TV, video, all these things are onyonyo. Ana m ele onyonyo.
Okay.
Onyonyo.
Oyo.
Okay. Ele oge ị ga-aga ọrụ taa? Kedu oge ị ga-aga ọrụ? Kedu oge ị ga-eje ọrụ?
Agara m
what do you want to say in English?
I want to say I went to teach my fitness class this morning.
You will go or you already did?
I already went to teach.
Okay, agara m gaa kụzie ebe na-eme maka ahụ isi ike. Ahụ isi ike. Ahụ isi ike, egwuregwu ahụ isi ike. That's what you call it. But I'll tell it to you. Aga m ezitere gị etu esi ekwu ya.
Daalụ.
Imeela o. ndị nke m na-enwetaghị taa aga m enweta ụnụ n'izu ọzọ na-abịanụ mana ihe anyị ga-eme now you guys now let me say this in English because I need to know what you don't know because we're going to start reading paragraphs, okay? And that paragraphs it's going to be a challenge. I will send you something to read, just a little paragraph. Then there will be a spontaneous one that you come to class, and then I will just challenge you. So I will send something out. You're going to read, you come to class, you read it. But then there will be one you don't have to even practice because I want to know if you're learning something. I don't want you to memorize. Reading is not memorization. So I want to move you guys. I want to move. But let me know all the topics, the verb. If you're still struggling how to conjugate it with the vowels, let me know. I didn't finish everything we're supposed to do today, but that's okay. Gradually, I will be putting it in. But if you don't tell me that you're still struggling in this area, then I'll keep going without knowing what you're struggling. Just text me privately. I know what you're doing. But when I answer your question, I will post it so that others will see it and then learn from it. If you feel comfortable posting your question on the forum, feel free to do that, please. I wanted you to post your assignment on the forum because I want others to see it. Don't shy away. This is not a class. Oh, people will laugh at me. No, we are all mature. Nobody's going to laugh at you. No, we're all here to learn. And I want everybody to know everybody. So that is the thing. Don't worry about that. We're all here to learn. This is not a class. Somebody is going to judge you because you are here to learn. Igbo, language is hard. Even some people, Igbo people that speak Igbo, they're not even speaking it very correctly. It doesn't matter. All I want, I'm not looking for perfection. I just want you to make the effort to show me that you are here to learn. Don't shy away to ask questions. Okay, we're all here to learn. And I'm here to help you guys, okay? So, aga m ahụ unu izu ọzọ ka emesịa na obiko unu na ọkwa ofuma zerekwanụ nje COVID. What is nje? Nje means the virus COVID. So, you all be careful. Don't bring it home, okay? Because young people, they will go out there, go to restaurants, mix up with their friends, and they bring it home, killing their grandma and grandpa. No, we don't want to kill anybody, guys. Please. So be careful out there. Please, there's a new variant, and it's really very deadly. So be careful. Be careful. Cover your nose, wash your hands, and you'll be free. You'll be okay. All right, love you guys. You all have a wonderful weekend. There you go.
Do we have
so Chukwuma, aga m ezitere enyi gị and some names. Oh. Imeela. Nnamdi, ị chọrọ ikwu ihe? Nnamdi, kwugaghị okwu taata, ọ dịkwa mma?
Do we have homework?
Ya, aga m esendịrị ọnụ. Chidera, aga m kedu onye jụrụ ma enwere homework? Chukwuemeka?
Yeah.
Anyị o nwere ihe omume? That's how you say it. Can you say that? Anyị means us, we. Anyị o nwere ihe omume? Chukwuemeka, anyị. Anyị o nwere ihe omume?
Ihe okume.
Omume means something you have to do, like homework or something like that. Okay, no, but I will send you a paragraph you're going to do by tomorrow or next, okay? So, Nnamdi, what's going on? You're not smiling today. Did anybody eat your food?
No.
What's no, Nnamdi? No English.
Mba.
Gịnị megakwanụ? Idewere ihu ka onye mejọrọ, onye akpasiri iwe. Gịnị wee kpasi iwe, Chukwuma? Gịnị wee ịkpasi iwe? Kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Ịkpasi iwe, somebody, okay. Amarachi, gịnị wee ịkpasi iwe? Obinna, ma ihe ọwụ. Nnamdi. Am I
It
here?
means like it means like did somebody upset you?
Yes, that's what it is.
Oh.
Okay, Chukwuma akpasukwala m iwe. Nnamdi akpasukwala m iwe. Do not make me mad.
Yeah.
Don't make me mad. Don't even do that. You know, so akpasula m iwe. Akpasula m iwe. Then I say, Chukwuma akpasula Nnamdi iwe. Akpasula Nnamdi iwe. Or Nnamdi akpasula Chukwuma iwe. So that's okay. You guys are doing well. All of you are doing very, very well. I'm so proud of you. So very soon you will be from reading, then I will be challenging you guys to make up stories, to write. Trust me, you guys are doing well. I'm going over the assignment you sent. You guys are doing very well, except few areas. But you get there. Okay, you will get there. All right, so I will post the note and then the recording tomorrow, okay?
Auntie?
Are
we still doing the focus dance group?
Oh yeah, absolutely. We will. And guess what? I'm just waiting for this COVID because I don't want your parents, because we are going to meet for those who are in Atlanta. Chukuma, you can come and dance with us. You're in Atlanta too. So we are going, because we're supposed to perform in North Carolina in May, and we're performing in Atlanta in April. So we're supposed to come together to practice. So Chelotam, I will let you know. But you know, I don't want the parents to be afraid that their kids are going to go out there and get it. So, but I limited the dancers now that are going to dance with me, 6 people only. So, but we're going to have practice. I'll let you know, okay?
Thank you. Dalu, Auntie.
Email. I'll keep you posted. Don't worry. I'll still call you.
Okay, thank
so,
you.
So, Chukuma, if we are available, you come and see what we do and join us. We do drumming as well. But some of you in another state, Namde, if we have drumming, I'm going to send the video and you guys will come together and practice. Or if you have your siblings, you do with your siblings. So it's going to be fun. You're going to love it.
It's about it. Jishike.
Jishikwe onwa. Jishikwe. I can tell Chukuma is such a happy person. You are then like, good. I'm happy with Nande. Obi the motone na amu ugbu. See, Emela?
Dalu.
Emela. Ngwa ka odu na ya no share na ike o.
Gozie gị.
Gozikwa gị nwa.